How to transfer photos and videos from iPhone 16, be it iPhone 16 or any other iPhones, to USB flash drive. Well, the process is simple. Let me guide it through quick and easy. First step is to connect your USB flash drive to your iPhone, whether iPhone 16 or any other iPhones. You can do it using the cable. Once you have connected it, all you gotta do is simply go ahead and open up Photos application, and you want to go ahead and tap on the select option at the top, and then select multiple photos and videos that you would like to transfer. Once you have selected it, then you want to tap on the share icon at the bottom left corner here and scroll down a bit. So scroll down, and you can see here you'll get the option to save to files, right? You want to go ahead and tap on save to files, and then it'll give you the option to save to files. You want to tap on browse option here, and now if you have your flash drive connected, you'll get another flash drive icon here and that particular name here. You want to tap on that particular folder and go ahead and save it on that folder. So it's pretty simple and easy, right? Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.